So the problem I'm having with this Kia Rio, it's a 2015. Well, most cars are like this, where the AC only work and you turn the AC on, but the blower don't come on until you turn it all the way to 4. That's when the blower come on. And the reason why that happened is this right here. It is a blower resistor. Alright, this is what caused it. So you have to change this and then the AC will work on all speed. For most cars, that's what will happen. Some car, the switch might broke, but in this case, you can see you turn the switch on, the AC light come on. Turn it off, the AC light come on. That's a signal that the switch is working. So it only come on at 4. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. I'm going to show you how to change your blower motor resistor. And in this car, it's right down here. Let's see if I can see it. It's right there. Alright, so I need to unplug that and remove those 2 Phillips screw, one at the top and one at the bottom, and then it will come out. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug it like what I told you. Alright, you wanna squeeze right here. Let me try to zoom in on it a little bit. You want to squeeze right here and pull out on it, and now that will give you access to the screws. My hand probably in the way, but when you come down here, you'll see it will be right there in front of you. So one screw gone, and another screw right here. Another screw right here. Alright, so now I'll take it out like this. As you can see, right there, it's damaged, I should say. You see it's broken. This probably supposed to be like this, but it's broken, so lost that right there. We want to get the new one. Right here. So yeah, you see, and that's the problem right here. It's broken. This one is not. So go ahead and put this one in, and the triangle part goes at the top like that. Okay, not the flat part. So now you want to put it in. Go ahead and catch your screws. Alright, so you want to go ahead and catch the other screw too. You want to go ahead and tighten both screws. Alright. And it's
Very easy fix. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if I help you. You can go ahead and leave a small donation. Help me help you guys. And now you want to go ahead and plug this in. Alright. Just line it up good. Plug it in. And your work is complete. So now I'm gonna try to crank it up. Alright, so now I have air. I know you can't see it, but you probably can hear it. Alright, so now it's working on all speed. Alright, and that's how you change your blower resistor, and that's how you fix your AC blower or AC speed when it's only working on 4. Alright, on a Kia Rio and on other cars. You just have to, on other cars, you just have to locate your blower resistor. Alright, and you locate your resistor, you change it, and they basically look the same. Some car you might have to take off more parts, some car you have to take off less part, but this car was easy for me to change. Alright, under 5 minutes, and then you have all your speed working again. Alright.